Hi, I'm Catherine Calarco, and I'm the SVP for Sales and Marketing for HeartMath, and it is such a pleasure to be here. Just wondering how many of you would like to feel better, live better this year. I mean, I think a lot of you in this audience, anybody got stress? Anybody? This week is supposed to be the biggest stress week of the year. So come by our booth, 3222, to learn how to manage your response to stress. We are the only innovative device that is ROI proven to reduce costs associated with stress, and we are providing two programs this year. One is the M-Wave 2, which is now the handheld unit. This unit here is now connected to the software package, and you can save and download sessions and be able to track and see your progress over time. We are also releasing an e-learning program, which is an online 5-week course that, including the M-Wave PSR, and that is available as well to anyone. And these are exciting. We had 2 clients. One of them saved over $346 per person per month in healthcare costs. As an individual, that is less doctor visits, that is better health, that is more time with the things you like to do rather than being at the doctor's. Another client, through a third-party actuarial, saved had a 2-to-1 ROI the first year of the program, and this was across a population of the average age of 54. So this is an awesome program. We really want to show you how it works. We want to wire you into the feedback and train you how to deliver this, and we want to help you to build long-lasting, better health forever, and also to enable you to enjoy all the other devices as well, because a lot of them don't include the stress management component. So we'd like to talk to you guys as well. So please welcome us. We've got both discs and flyers in the back of the room for the press, and we'd like to talk.